Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Typical California, it's nice and sunny, little chilly, hence the sweatshirt. But that's okay, because it's going to get into the 80s today. I started my day, well, not really started, but I did go to the farmer's market here in Yuba City yesterday morning. I picked up a few things, said hi to some friends. Yeah, good times. And then I did a bunch of running around, but a bunch of errands. The culinary expedition continued. Last night, we were in Malaysia, where I prepared Malaysian chicken curry. For the curry, I did the blending of the Malaysian curry. It's actually a Malaysian meat curry. It's specifically for meats or proteins. Yummy. Very yummy. I will post it up. It's got lots of notes. Lots and lots of notes. Some background for it. So you'll enjoy that. The expedition continues today. We're not going too far. We're going to Taiwan. And tonight is Spicy Taiwanese Pepper Shrimp. Yeah, gotta have some shrimp. Let's get to it. Hardware's out. Brazier, crockery for the rice. It's another rice day, but I'm okay with that. I love rice. 8 ounces of 2125 shrimp from our favorite place, the Goldfish Seafood Market here in Yuba City. I kind of put these in order today. So we have the shrimp, garlic. I picked up some fresh ginger. Look how big this thing is. That's my fingers. The cheapest ginger in town, but also the best ginger in town from LA Merchandise. Some spring onions, also known as bulb onions. And some good old oil. I'm actually using avocado oil. I'm playing around with some avocado oil. Avocado oil, to do the searing and the saute. Some rice wine, kosher salt, white pepper, black pepper, Chinese 5-spice, and cinnamon from Saigon. It's actually called out in the recipe. Both of these, the 5-spice and the Saigon cinnamon, and of course rice. So here's all the goodies for tonight's menu. I have a little bit calmer day today. Just as an update, all the blends that I currently have are now on the website. All of them. It's 40 or 41. Yeah, I have 5 curries. That was part of my day yesterday. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.